In this video, I will show you how to do an in-text MLA citation for a journal article that you might find on JSTOR, and I'll show you how to do a works cited entry in MLA formatting using Cite. So, here I am on the JSTOR search page, and it's just like Google or any other type of search you might do, and we're going to look for a common search topic, global warming, and we hit search and it's going to bring back all kinds of results. Now, when you're doing a college level research paper, you want to make sure that you're using actual journal articles. And if you look through all of our selections here, you'll see that they say journal over here to the right. So you just want to be on the lookout and make sure that you have all journals listed here. The second thing to look out for, notice how I'm highlighting the word review. If it's a review, then it's not a journal article. So avoid those reviews. Those are just authors commenting on something that somebody else has written. And you don't want to cite a review in a college research paper necessarily. Another thing to look out for, watch out for these little squigglies over here all the way to the left. This means that you're going to have to venture over to an external source to find this journal article. And, I'm not saying that you can't do that, but it's often easier to just find an article on JSTOR that's hosted through JSTOR. For 1101, 1102, JSTOR should have everything you need and then some. If you have to find yourself bouncing around to other databases and search engines and everything, you're probably making your work a lot harder than it needs to be. Well, anyway, so let's talk about how to cite something that you find on JSTOR. And for this example, we're going to use this global warming article here. And I already pulled it up. And when you click on the article, it takes you directly to a scan of the journal page. Now, MLA formatting is about as simple as it gets. All MLA requires you to do is give the author's last name and the page number. Now, any peer-reviewed article that you find in a peer-reviewed journal will give you the author's last name and the page number. There's no getting around it. It will be there. Now, if you find an article from another database like Opposing Viewpoints or something, you might not get the page number because you're not getting it directly from the peer-reviewed journal. JSTOR is all peer-reviewed journals, therefore you will always find last names and page numbers. Here you can see in the upper left it tells us page 36 of 36 through 38. If you scroll down, look at the bottom of the page down here in the bottom left. We have 36. So we definitely have a page number, and without a doubt, here is our author's last name over to the left middle of the screen. Ramanathan, we'll say. Okay, now, so if you were going to cite something from this within your argumentation essay, or if you're going to cite anything from a peer-reviewed journal, here's what you would do. You would find a quote that you like, and you would either use the exact wording and quote it, or provide a paraphrase. And I like this in the middle of the page. The rapidity of the increase leaves little doubt that human impact is the cause, and this is in reference to global warming. So here's the paper I'm working on. And you can see I'm working on a scholarly essay here, blah, blah, blah. And then I took and paraphrased Ramanathan's quote here. The speed at which our planet's temperature is increasing makes researchers confident that man is to blame. These are not my ideas. A peer-reviewed researcher came up with this, so I have to tell my reader that indeed I stole this idea from somewhere. Here's the MLA citation. Within parentheses, I give you the last name of the author and the page number that it came from, and I end it with a period. That's it. That's MLA. It's done. Last name, page number. Done. Now, you have to make sure and cite the entire work at the end of your paper on your works cited list. So let me show you how to do that. From JSTOR, all you have to do is click on the View Citation link. This gives you everything you need. You then go over to Cite, and you can copy and paste your information into each of these blocks. we're using MLA formatting over here to the left, and this is a journal article. So once that you've selected those, you just fill in the blanks and hit submit. The citation is done for you. You just copy it and paste it into your works cited list and make sure that the formatting matches. Here we are, and all I have to do to make this work is just fix the indenting. Done. I have a works cited entry now. This is proper MLA formatting, and this is a proper MLA in-text citation. So, there you have it. If you have any questions, use the OWL at Purdue link. That should help out. Use Cite. Just Google it. Use your writer's reference or your LB handbook. Any of these resources can show you how to do MLA formatting.